How to use text-to-speech online for free. Although English is not my first language, I can use English as my first language through text-to-speech system. And the English read of this video was also created through text-to-speech program. Text-to-speech program stand for text-to-speech, converts various languages into the most realistic human voice. In the beginning, there was a lot of artificial and mechanical feeling, but these days it's been a constant upgrade. And now text-to-speech programs are able to develop their natural voice just as humans speak. Therefore, text-to-speech programs are becoming more widely used in various fields such as presentation, communication, education, and so on. Some of these text-to-speech programs are sold for sale, and others are used for free. It has the advantage of no download required and is simple to use. And I would like to introduce you to my most popular text conversion program, text-to-speech. To use the text-to-speech program, you first go to the Google website. Then you type text-to-speech in the search box on the Google website. You will see many text-to-speech sites. At the bottom of the first page of Google search, you can see the text-to-speech site that I recommend. When you click the text-to-speech site, you will be taken to the text-to-speech website. And the initial screen will appear with the character text-to-speech at the top of the site. There are menus at the top of this page. But if you only understand the initial screen with the most important text messaging program, 100% is available. So here's how to use the text-to-speech program. One. First, in copy and paste text to synthesize, enter the text for the voice conversion. You can't type directly, paste and taste, or fill out a URL. Here is an example of copying and pasting news from a CNN web page. Specify a specific part of the CNN homepage and copy and paste. Two, you can select the language you want to hear by clicking Click to choose. Approximately 20 languages are available. Select Google US English since CNN News is in English. Three, the voice rate can be set from very slow 0.1 to very fast 10. You can use the default value without changing the set value. 4. You can also set the voice pitch from the lowest 0 to the highest 2. You can use the default value without changing the set value. 5. Text input and language selection and voice rate and voice pitch settings are complete. You can hear it in voice. There are 4 buttons: speak, pause and resume, stop, clear. Zero one. Click the speak button to play the text in the voice which is the language you have set. The homepage news of CNN's English text will be in speech. CNN It was a jaw-dropping moment that embodied the utterly unfathomable, logic-defying and increasingly troubling twilight zone into which Washington has plunged since the Helsinki summit. Director of National Intelligence Dan Coats was on stage at a security forum in Aspen, Colorado, when he was told by NBC's Andrea Mitchell that the White House had announced on Twitter that President Donald Trump had invited Russian President Vladimir Putin to visit in the fall. Say that again, Coats said, doing a double take and laughing in disbelief at the absurdity of the latest episode in the Russia saga. Once he had collected himself, he added, "Okay, that's going to be special." The pause button is used to pause the voice as needed while the voice is in progress. Click the resume button to start the voice again. 03. The stop button is used to end an ongoing voice. 04. Clean button is used to erase text. This text-to-speech program can use several sentences at a time, adjust the speed and pitch of the voice, and also have the advantage of simple manipulation, such as pause,